Laingakna Anouba scheme kaya miyamgi Puthokpadagi mai Chakpagi Chang Yamna Hanthare haina National Academy of Burns India ge President Professor Sameek Bhattacharya na phongdorakre. Ngasi RIMS ki Plastic Surgery Department sinduna RIMS campus ta leiba Susruta Hall da pangthokiba is zone burned 2026 ki thauram ga mari leinana Professor Sameek Bhattacharya na wafamasi phongdokhibani thauram aduda RIMS Hospital ge Medical Superintendent Professor and Sanjeev RIMS की Dean Academic Professor Laisram Rajesh Amadi RIMS की Head Department of Plastic Surgery Professor Akoijam Ibohal na sarukyaki Professor Sameek Bhattacharya na makha taraduna mamang dadi yumthong khudingda kerosene na mai thanduna chak thongnarami adubu chawkhalakpagi matung inna laingakna Ujwala scheme semduna LPG gas na yumthong khudingda gas na chak thongnare kerosene gi mahut electricity na mai thanare maramaduna mai chakpagi chang yamna hanthare imung kharada chakhum amadi tungfam punna leiba maramna piglibangang sing ising asaba na pokpa amadi asaba chana bana pokpa yawba sing adu PM Awas Yosna scheme lakpadagi matik chaba yum sanare Union Ministry for Power, Health, Urban Development amadi Industries nasu mai chakpadagi ngakthok na pakidamak tungan ba scheme kaya paikhatdi loinana RIMS asi Northeast India gi oina analaying lamda khumang chawkhalaba for hospital amo oirakli haiki
Flame burn is to be so common. Kerosene was the only fuel. Then India started growing economically, industrially, and gradually we have seen that the fuel is changing. And because of the Ujwala Yojana of government, most of the households have LPG cylinders, and the scourge of kerosene burns gradually decreased. And now it has paved way to a different form of trauma. Now the scald burns, the burns due to hot liquid and hot food, hot oil has increased. Initially the trauma used to be of the lady of the house. Now there is an immense amount of trauma. Hot liquid and scald burns on the children. We have too many nuclear families with little help from the elders in those families to look after the child, which used to be there in previous times. Now children are burnt because they are working parents. They are small dwellings where the kitchen and the living room is only one room, and children get burned because of this. So over the years it is changing. But yes, absolute number of burn cases are decreasing as we grow economically and industrially. It should also translate into safe housing and safe handling of kitchen, and our citizens should be safe at home. So that should be our aim, and obviously the government is working on that. And as clinicians, we should be giving utmost care to the burn victims.
Maina chakum matamda karam kanda kari hida kapaga kayamga mathuna kanga ngambani haibagi knowledge adugumati hengale aduna ahamba nimi nini humni da laigidaba burn sidi adugumati khojikti ekoi gi khumang chawkhlaki matungina kanba ngame haibase hajaningi aduna mayam dasu ekoi toina education piba darkar lei ngasi yawbi riba koi gi delegate khudimangna nursing officer khudimangna mayam da masi spread tawgadabni haibase hajaningi amarom da hairagana we have a scheme of CMHT and PMJY. It also gives a very good package. It also gives a very good package of treatment of burns. So people should come up to the hospitals instead of keeping burns in their homes and getting treatment from local people.